Smithy. Come here. Hello, I'm Smithy. This is obviously a Kentucky. I had to bring George out to sit in the van with me. Benji was asleep, she started crying. So anyway, I brought her out with me. We've got a sticker to put in the van, and the Kirby Longsdale trip, it was like a break for me and Sue, if you will, so I didn't actually do that much filming of it, apart from the long walk we went on. And but what a great trip it was, and we needed it. Anyway, I made a video about a week ago, and I was overlooking the bay, and it just brought back a few memories of my mother. So that's why there was a gap in what I was saying. Anyway, one person messaged me, and he could tell. So I actually deleted it, and I thought, well, I don't want to make sad videos for you. So I've had a break really for a couple of weeks. But anyway, with plenty of videos coming, it has been a bad time. I'm not going to hide the fact it's been awful, but we're getting there, and we're going to make some nice videos. We're going to do loads of cooking. We're going to get out in the van. It is a struggle at the minute because obviously we're still looking after Brenda, you know, Sue's mum, and you know that's our job. So that's what we're doing, and I'm pleased to do it. I must say, I would rather be looking after, you know, the two I was looking after than getting out in the van all the time, because I can hold my head up high and say, look, sorry, we did it and we've done it. So that's that. So yeah, so when we can get out, we'll be getting out and we'll do some videos for you with the doggies as well, won't we, Georgie? Are you frightened? What are you shaking for? She's probably shaking because Benji's not in here. They're inseparable, aren't you? Are you inseparable? Wave to everybody. Hello. You don't like your feet touched. You can touch anywhere on Benji and he's fine. Look, don't we? Right. So I wanted to tell you something. Right. I got a sticker through the post, and it's addressed to Smithy's Kentucky. I like that. So it's actually a guy called Joff, and I think he's from Devon. You'll have to forgive me if I'm wrong. Devon, Cornwall. He's actually in Loch Lomond at the minute, and I'll put a link to his channel under, you know, in the comments. And I find that new channels or them that don't have, you know, so many subscribers, I don't know what it is, but you just seem to get more interactive content. They show you more things, they're doing more things, they're trying harder, rather than just sit walking your dog every 5 minutes and then that's your video, or you sat in your van and having a chat, which is good because everybody likes to catch up with everybody. But like Diane Coretti, other people, the smaller channel, they're not trying that hard, they're just filming things that they've never been able to film before, and it's good for them to watch later on, you know, and for their families to watch, to see what they're doing. So, but I suppose if you're an established channel, there's so many times you can go on a canoe on a lake, and, you know. Anyway, so he's actually in Loch Lomond, is Joff, and he's more hotel adventures, which is quite good. It's he reminds me of that with Jeremy Clarkson when he had that camper on his little thing. Remember when he took it under a garage, didn't he? I think it blew over in wind, I think. Anyway, let's get you on the sticker wall. You were about the maximum size I would put on here because we had to cut down Alex's, didn't we? So we need a space for you now, don't we? Where we're gonna... I might have to get underneath... I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm sorry about this, Stephen, but he's going to have to cut a bit of your... I'll still leave your name. I'll put you on the corner there. We are actually running out of space. I'll open it and we can go underneath. Right. So we're still living the dream, Stephen, but we've had to just cut a corner of your sticker out to get that one on. So I'll just show you Josh's sticker. It's taking pride of place on the sticker wall. There's everybody else. So I hope everybody else is enjoying themselves, having a good time, and we're going to be soon. So I just wanted to give you a little catch up and show you what I've been doing, which is not a lot, I'm afraid. Washing the van endlessly, and but yeah, we're going to get out. I think we're going away with Shanice, my niece Shanice, and her partner. I can't even think of his name now. They'll be shouting at me. Anyway, so I've shown you his van, hasn't he? He's converted his own van. And I said to him, we'll go to Peaks or somewhere, and you park your van, face the side door of your van to the side of my van. I could put the awning out across both of them, and we'll do it that way. Anyway, one thing when we was in Kirby Longsdale, I could not get a TV signal at Devil's Bridge, and that is one thing that does do Sue's head in, he's not having a TV signal. But because of that Westinghouse TV I bought, it's got a built-in DVD player. So I actually went to a charity shop, and I love looking around at me just to see what you find. I hope I'm not too dark. I haven't put any lights on because it's still daylight, although I did shut that one because people walk past. Anyway, we bought some DVDs, 3 for £1, can you believe that? So I'll show you what I bought, right? Jumper, yeah? That's the guy that he can look at a picture and then appear in that place. So it's from the director of The Bourne Identity and Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Well, that's quite apt, isn't it? So anyway, Jumper, right? Tom Hanks, Paul Newman and Jude Law, The Road to Perdition. That's another one we've got, right? And then, because I love comedy, me, and I love this guy. And Shaun of the Dead. Eh? Can you imagine having something to eat, glass of wine, and you just sort of relax and then put Shaun of the Dead on? It's like, what was that other film he was in? Paul. I like that as well, Paul. They're just funny, aren't they? Anyway, so that's what we've got. We've got some DVDs to watch. So if we don't get a TV signal again, I'm going to build up. I mean, I mustn't have bought a DVD, what, 5-10 years? I don't know how long it is, but I don't even have a DVD player in house anymore. And I can't remember the last time we had one, it was probably 10 years ago. But anyway, so we're going to be buying DVDs and get a little collection up, stick them in that cupboard there. And if we ever don't get a TV signal, we've got something to watch. And if we go to any town, have a look in a charity shop. I mean, 3 for £1, you can't lose. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you a bit of an update as to what we're doing. So yeah, we are going to get out. It's just a case of, you know, when. And it might be just a case of going out for the day. You know, when Sue's off work, and then Sue can watch her mum while I go out for the day or whatever. And we'll do some antics. You know, either magnet fishing, gold panning. I've got to go gold panning. You know, I've been watching Mr. Daz P1 Northern Pickers. It's absolutely doing me nutting. Sat there watching them on TV, and I think, yeah, you know, why am I not there doing it? And I'm going to be doing it soon. So we're going to have a go at that, and we're going to get the kayak out when the weather changes a bit. I don't know if I've still got a life vest. I did sell. I had 2 canoes. I had one for me, one for Callum, and I sold them. And I can't remember, I had a boat as well, and I can't remember if I gave the life jackets with the people that bought them, I can't remember. But I had a big rib with an electric, you know, motor and batteries and all that. Me and Callum went down canal, I think it's on one of the videos to be fair. Anyway, so I just wanted to keep you know, I haven't lost faith, we're still here, we're still doing stuff. I just didn't want to make any sad videos, because you know what's gone on. If you followed me for a long while, it has been hard, and we're getting there. So, and you know, for a lot of you've followed the journey with me, so you know, I'm sure you feel it as well. So anyway, what should we say, Georgie? Should we go get you back in, see what Benji's doing? Hey, should we? You're going to say to that, everybody? Come here, look. Say to that, everybody. She's eating too much food, I think, and needs more walking. She won't walk. She walks about 50 foot and just flops up floor waiting for you to pick her up, which could be my fault for spoiling her, I suppose. Anyway, so you've heard Smithy waffle on. I just wanted to keep you abreast of what he's going on, and we've still got some stuff to open up, you know. I had a look in this drawer before. We've got exciting stuff to open up, so we're going to have to do that soon. So anyway, I'm Smithy. This has been a Contiki. Stay safe, be lucky, and I will definitely see you again. See you soon. Say ta, George. Say ta, Georgie. Say ta. Should we give you a close up? Nicely. Look at Georgie. That's it, you look at people. Yeah, I'll take you in now, baby. Don't worry. Right, see you soon.